guys, and welcome to another video. We're rolling in the convoy with some homies. We're heading to Hampton Downs to hit the skid pad. I'm taking the Skyline out for some skids. Gonna help my friends with their cars, man. This is gonna be a sick day. Let's get it. What's up, guys? We just got to Hampton Downs. We're taking the cars out on the skid pad. There's cars already out here. There's cars out on the track, man. These are such awesome days to learn car control, man, and take your car and have some fun, man. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait, guys. We just got down here to Hampton Downs. The cars are all ready to go. We've been signed in. It's time to have some fun on the skid pad, man. I'm taking my R32 Skyline out. It's been a long time since I've slid this car, so I'm really looking forward to it. We've got my mate Brent's JZX 100 Chaser, and we got Sam's K70 Corolla, man. That's blacktop turbo power. We're down here teaching her some car control, man. This is going to be a fun day, man. I can't wait. And let's take a better look at Sam's K70 Corolla. It's packing a blacktop turbo setup. This one's running a GZE forged bottom end, blacktop head, quad throttle bodies with this custom inlet plenum here. Love the big drag sport blow valve. We've just recently put a new turbo on this. This is a Turbo Care TD05 turbo. It's just been tuned on a Link G4X, man. I can't wait to get this out on track. This makes 210 kilowatts at the wheels, and it's an absolute ripper, man. This is going to be sick, guys. Man, this is what the wet skid pan is all about. Taking out whatever you want, man. Having fun, progressing your driving skills, and hanging out with friends, man. If you haven't done one of these days, you've got to check it out at Hampton Downs. It's so much fun, guys. First session out on track. Me and Sam are taking out the K7. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm excited. I'm in good hands.
Yeah, it is nerve-wracking the first time you're out there, but we're going to have fun. We've got heaps of room, no pressure, no time to worry about. Let's get out there and have some fun. That's good. Lots of revs this time. To the floor. Got the clutch. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. All right.
Drive your off.
Good job. That was awesome. Brent absolutely destroying tires out there, man. Hot work, man. Guys, 2 sessions out and it's so hot in the car. The car's getting warm too. It's getting to 100 pretty quick, so I'm having to be careful. Yeah, it's been interesting working between first and second gear, using the handbrake, just having some fun, man. But I got to watch the temperatures. Don't want to get the motor too hot, man. Good out there, man, but it does get hot out there. I'm really having to make sure my car doesn't overheat. It jumps up real quickly. That time I backed it off at 95 and let it cool down, came in under 100, man. Brent's car's going well, Sam's car's getting hot too, man. Just look after these cars, and it's hot out on track. You need your pit crew fan in the doors. Man, it's a hot day out there, especially with no aircon, but we're absolutely loving it, guys. Well, that was absolutely epic, guys. I think we had 5 runs in total. All the cars behaved. They were getting hot quick, though. That's what happens when you're pushing them to the limits, man. It was cool to have some fun, teach my friends some car control, and just get out there, man. Massive thank you to the team at Helensville Mechanical Services for making this possible today. I'm so appreciative. The cars did well, man. We're out of the track next weekend for Chrome. I'm out in the Mark II to have some fun, man. This is going to be wild, guys. We had to check out this Mark V Supra. I love this shape, man. It just works so well with all the carbon bits on it and the work wheels. That hood looks so aggressive. Check this out. Big vent in the front. And we've got a midnight purple R33 GTR. Woo, on the bronze wheels, man. I don't think it gets much better than this. And it sounded so aggressive too. This MX-5 sounded awesome rolling past, man. We had to take a better look. It's running a turbo setup. What a sick livery, man. We love to see it, man. This is the variety you get out here at Auto Addict, guys. We've got a clean as white on white Evo 3 looking so good. And we've got a murdered out black on black Mercedes GTR. So good, man. The variety out here is insane. And I absolutely love to see this R33, man. I love this style. The period correct wheels in black, man. What a sick R33, guys. Next up is a track crew session, man. So many cars out here, every variety represented, man. JDMs, Americans, classics, you name it. What a lineup, man. This is huge. Let's go check some of these cars out, guys. This group of cars caught my attention straight away. A Tommy Mackinnon edition Evo 6.5 in blue. This looks so good, man. I love to see it. That's my favorite color too. Next up, we got a GR Corolla sitting on T37 wheels, looking sick. Also on T37s, we've got a Mark V Supra, man. Oh, it's so cool to see these cars out there being used and driven, man. Man, we got late model Camaros sounding aggressive, R33 GTR, C8 Corvette. Man, there's a variety of everything. Tough R33, R35 GTR about to go out on track. This is going to be a wild session out there, guys. I want to take a second to thank today's video sponsor, Helensville Mechanical Services. If you need servicing, wharf, repairs, or tyres for your car, talk to the team at Helensville Mechanical Services and they'll get you back on the road. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. And it's so good to see a clean looking Seth, man, out there being used. You don't see many of them these days. It used to be everywhere. Love seeing Survivor cars and people out there representing and enjoying their cars, man. Another R32 parked up next to mine. This one a black coupe. Man, I love seeing GDSs in this condition. This reminds me of my first one so bad. It was black too, black coupe. Similar mods here with the GDRS spoiler. Oh, this one's got carbon mirrors as well on the AVS Model 6s. Woo, cool car, man. What an awesome day, guys. Blowing off some steam, hitting the skid pan, having fun with friends, doing some drifting, man. That's what it's all about. We get to do it all again next week and we're back down here for Crow, man. Lots of track content coming in hot, man. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share, and you know your boy will keep the content coming.